Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we are going to have a closer look on the forward fold pose Marichyasana I. And what you need for today's practice is a blanket next to you. Good intentions as always, your mat, and then I would say let's get on our mat and let's practice. So we start by sitting tall up in Dandasana. Feel your sitting bones heavy down and avoid falling behind them. So try not to round your lower back. Instead, if you feel you do that, take a blanket and sit on the blanket. Fold it and sit on the blanket. So back, quite back, and sitting tall up. And then bend your right knee and bring the leg in. And make sure that you place the right foot in front of your right sitting bone. Hold the shin, and this is a preparation pose for Marichyasana I. And see that you bring the leg in. So sometimes the leg folds out, and here it's really bringing the leg in, holding and pressing the thigh against your chest. Make sure that the other leg is rooting down. So then let the right knee fall slightly open and reach out with your right hand to your left foot, and then see if you can bring the right knee against your right shoulder. And then it is the left foot pressing against your right hand and the right hand pressing against the left foot. So it's a kind of forth and back going. And keep the torso high, so don't bend too much. And you might feel that the right sitting bone lifted up, that's okay. And now the right foot is taking over the position of the right sitting bone. So you are more on your left sitting bone and on your right foot. And whenever you exhale, you go down, so you root down again. Whenever you inhale along the spine, there's an upward and forward movement, so more and more you move with your torso down, more forward. If you are feeling that your right leg, your right knee is constantly opening again, so you're losing it, there's no contact to your right shoulder, then you can take the other hand, the left hand, and bring the leg in to make it pleasant and stable. So this is another way of working on it. And you see now my right knee is really close to my right shoulder. But if that feels very comfortable, then you really can move more and more forward, keeping your spine quiet. Then you would internally rotate your right arm. And I'm more even leaning again to my left side. And I bring my upper right arm around my right shin. And then I rotate the left arm and bring the left arm back, the hands clap to each other, and then I move forward. And here it is very important that you root the right foot because it serves as your right sitting bone. And then you move forward, leaning over your left leg. And the left leg is very much grounded, so I feel very much my left thigh grounded, and you relax your head. So that would be Marichyasana I, forward fold. And then you let go of your hands up and you change to the other side. Come back to sitting tall up, Dandasana. Close your eyes for a moment. And like always, I hope that this little insight of mine brought you something to move forward on your own yoga journey. I think it's very important to be aware of that it is not really always the final pose we want to achieve. It's the way to get there. And that a lot of times depends on our own process. So where are you right now? Make sure that it always feels comfortable and stable. I feel that's the most important thing to practice on. And if you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will be back again 2 weeks from now, and I hope you do the same. Take care, stay safe, and